Class 6, English. Lesson 5. How beautiful is the rain. How beautiful is the rain. The poet is not talking about winter rain. It is the summer rain that he is welcoming. How beautiful is the rain. After the dust and heat. In the brood and fiery street. In the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs. Like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out. From the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and pours. And swift and wide. With a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars. The rain, the welcome rain.